everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to what is possibly the final Hot Wheels virtual garage. I still try and combine the two sayings. Yeah, that. Oh no. Welcome back to possibly the final Hot Wheels virtual garage video of the series, the saga. What fun it has been. So here we have two of the 2024 redemption car. So yeah, if you had any of the free sets from 2024 fully completed, you're in for one of these cars. Let's take a look. First off though, I'm a little bit concerned because these are the same size as all the other boxes. Normally the ones with the acrylic case, which I'm expecting this to have an acrylic case, tend to be a little bit smaller. Here's one for reference. This had a box, acrylic case car in it. I'm a bit worried that they've maybe made it worse for the last series or cheaped out. Oh, they haven't. Oh, mint. There it is. Lamborghini Huracan. Can't remember how you say it now. LP 610-4. Personally, I think one of the weakest of the three. I don't know. I guess if you're into your supercars or a Lamborghini fan, definitely the strongest of the three. But just the way it looked didn't stand out the most to me. I don't know. But will it surprise me? That's the question. Maybe it will. Oh, there's no tape. Usually there is tape. Right, let's get it out. Oh, look at the shiny case. Yes, so I was quite lucky because oh, look at the box. How cool is that? I was quite lucky because I scored one of the exclusive cars, the Lotus Esprit, I think it was. And yeah, so I ended up completing Series 9, I think it was. And then I ended up getting 4 of the Super Treasure Hunt Audi RS2s. So I sold 2 of them and managed to bag another exclusive to grab me an extra car, because I thought these were going to be worth a lot of money. I don't know if they are. And they're numbered as well. Here is 1,184 out of 1,600. I'll try and get it so you can actually see that. There it is. 1,184. I wonder if these actually correspond to the NFT, like what mint NFT you got. I bet it doesn't. Shall I go and check? Oh, let's go and check. I have mint numbers 1546 and 1038, so no. But it was kind of expected, really. So yeah, should we see what we got on this one? Let's quickly have this one out and see. I can imagine, let's twist it down a little bit. I can imagine people getting like particular numbers would be seen as more sought after, like number 1 or the 1,600 out of 1,600 or whatever. Let's see what number we got on this one. I know I'm putting off opening it, but you know, 1258. So I've got both in the, I don't know what I was going to say there, both in the 1,000 range, but yeah, there's only 1,600 of them anyway. But there we go. There are 2 of those 2024 series completion car. I've got to say the box looks really cool, especially with the kind of shiny rainbow effect. Will the car blow me away? Oh, okay. That does look quite good. Oh, in the renditions of this and all the images, it looked quite basic. But no, it's oh, look at that, is a nice colour. Let's open it. It's got little silver screws in it as well. Oh, let's open it up. I like the fact it's also an acrylic case, because it means we can display it and open it. Oh, that's cool. I'll just wait for that to stop. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot nicer in person, I will admit. That colour is really nice. Shame they couldn't have put any chrome detail in the wheels. I think this would have looked nice with different wheels, or a bit more colour in the wheels. They do look a little bit plasticky, but yeah, we can't have everything. Let's take it off the base. Yeah, it's very nice actually getting a numbered car again. That's pretty awesome indeed, as they don't tend to do numbered cars anymore on RLC. Oh, they can stay in there. That's very good. That is very good indeed. Let's take a look at the car up close. Yep, full premium metal on metal and rubber tyres too, which is nice. There's the base of the car. Up the side we get these kind of splattered or streak marks. That's how fast the car is, yeah! We got the Hot Wheels Virtual Garage logo on the side. But just look at that colour. I'm much more pleased with that in person, for sure. In the renditions it just looked like a basic light blue kind of colour. But this is a really, really nice Spectraflame blue. Not sure if this colour has a name. Kind of like an electric blue or something. We've got the Lamborghini logo on the front there. Headlight details as well. And in the back, Huracan written on the lumbar plate. And then the Lamborghini logo, as well as some awesome rear light details. Oh yeah, all in all, yeah, that is a lot cooler in person than I thought it was going to be. That's really nice. Let's have a look at this one as well. Have I got one with any weird obscurities? Got one with a nice scratch on the case, if that means anything. I think it's much the same. Maybe this one's a little bit better looking, as the other one had a couple of blemishes here and there. Yeah, just really, really cool. Stripes over the top as well. Bit of engine detail in the back. Little bit of detail for the dashboard and the seats as well. Well, there we are. The Lamborghini Huracan 2024 Redemption car. What do you think? And yeah, I don't know what to say now. It is pretty cool. There's a little bit of blue paint come off. Oh no, my Redemption cars are disintegrating. Yeah, I wouldn't say I am a super car fan. That's super. But this is pretty cool. And I've got to say, I'm much more impressed with the colour of this than I was in the videos of it that got released beforehand. Look at the shine that box has cast on that car. That's all rainbow. Look at that. Yeah, all in all, I'm actually pretty happy with that. It's definitely a lot cooler in person than it is on the pictures, so really, really happy with that. It's pretty awesome that I got two, and quite an awesome way of actually finishing off this series, I reckon. We actually managed to get one of the completion cars, which is just really, really neat. I think there was actually a master car as well. So if you completed every single set, there was one car you can get at the very end, but it was rumoured just to be some of the leftover R34 Fast and Furious Skylines. So yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe I'll keep an eye on what happens to that. But yeah, personally I think this is a pretty cool way to end the series off, because, well, we managed to get at least, well, two, but at least one of the series completion cars that are boxed in an acrylic case with a very unique looking box. And I can only imagine these would probably stay pretty collectible in the future. I don't know anything. I don't know about their value. I don't know how collectible they're going to be, but I just feel chuffed to bits that I've actually got not one but two of these in my collection. It's very unique and probably, in fact, most definitely one of the rarest pieces I have in my collection now, numbered to only 1,600 being made. So that's a really, really nice addition to my collection. It's, yeah, chuffed to bits with that. I'm not going to lie, I think this whole deal has been quite the saga and quite expensive. In fact, very expensive indeed. But yeah, you know what? It's been pretty fun, and the videos have been very fun as well. Admittedly, most of my videos have been taking the piss of the whole ordeal, but it's been fun, and some of the edits have been very fun too. And yeah, I think there will be one more video, maybe just reminiscing on some of the edits and the laughs we've had along the way. But yeah, as always, wish you the best of luck. Let me know if you managed to get one of these yourself, and what do you think of this car. What did you think of the Hot Wheels Virtual Garage or NFT Garage as a whole? Do be sure to let me know down in the comments. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your peg hunts as always. For now though, I'll see you in the next one.